Here's some Habeas Corpus Act trivia. Subscribe. Which historical figure is often associated with the Habeas Corpus Act? Is it A. George III, B. King Charles II, C. Oliver Cromwell, or D. Queen Victoria? The correct answer is B. King Charles II. In what year was the Habeas Corpus Act passed in England? Is it A. 1789, B. 1628, C. 1679, or D. 1715? The correct answer is C. 1679. What is the primary function of the Habeas Corpus Act? Is it A. Grant citizenship rights, B. Prevent unlawful imprisonment, C. Ensure fair trials, or D. Protect personal property? The correct answer is B. Prevent unlawful imprisonment. What is the full name of the act related to wrongful detention? Is it A. Habeas Corpus Act of 1679, B. Detention Law, C. Writs Act, or D. Freedom Act? The correct answer is A. Habeas Corpus Act of 1679. What type of law is the Habeas Corpus Act classified under? Is it A. Administrative law, B. Constitutional law, C. Common law, or D. Statutory law? The correct answer is D. Statutory law. Which U.S. president suspended habeas corpus during the Civil War? Is it A. Franklin D. Roosevelt, B. Abraham Lincoln, C. Ulysses S. Grant, or D. George Washington? The correct answer is B. Abraham Lincoln. In which year was the Habeas Corpus Suspension Act passed in the U.S.? Is it A. 1861, B. 1863, C. 1850, or D. 1870? The correct answer is B. 1863. What famous landmark report addressed issues of habeas corpus in Northern Ireland? Is it A. Framework Document, B. Belfast Agreement, C. The Diplock Report, or D. Good Friday Agreement? The correct answer is C. The Diplock Report. What mechanism must be used to invoke habeas corpus? Is it A. Writ, B. Notification, C. Order, or D. Summons? The correct answer is A. Writ. Which state passed a Habeas Corpus Act in 1867? Is it A. Florida, B. California, C. Texas, or D. New York? The correct answer is B. California. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.